So we start off today's video with a long to short transformation. She has this gorgeous curly hair and she has decided to cut it into a beautiful curly style bob. Very nice. This is a nice little effortless summer chic style that you can try out if you do have curly hair. And then we move into another transformation. Looks like the stylist is doing a bit of a pixie here. Oh, actually this is more of like a mini bob or pixie bob variation. Very nice. I really like the texture that the stylist created. Bangs in the front. Wow, so cute. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be taking a look at some more haircut ideas. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Gorgeous bob haircut here. Nice, classic, and effortless. And then we do have another bob transformation. Wow. This frames her face so beautiful. I love when I see that. When you have a haircut that perfectly accents the cheekbones. Ooh. Gorgeous pixie bob style. And then we have a mini bob. This one ends just below the jawline. So we have a color transformation here. And it looks like the stylist is doing a mullet. Wow, this color is absolutely gorgeous. It's like an ash blonde hue. Very pretty. And those curls are just perfection. So I would say that this is like a mohawk mullet style. And then we have another long to short transformation. Looks like she's going to be getting a bob. Oh, beautiful. She also went with a brighter blonde hue. Almost platinum. It's really bright and bold. Very pretty. And then we have an undercut style here. Really nice, intricate design. followed by a shaggy pixie bob style. Now what's nice about this style is the versatility. She can play around with the placement of the hair, offering up a lot of styling options. And then we have another long too short. So she starts off with, once again, curly hair about mid-length or so. And bam, gets this beautiful curly pixie bob variation. Very nice. We have another bob haircut here for the next one. Beautiful shoulder length bob style. So pretty. I really like how the color looks as well. Just beautiful and effortless. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed all of the hairstyles that were featured in today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will of course see you in the next video.